Hello. Today in front of me I have TCL 205 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. In here, go for the network and internet. After that, open up basically any of the SIM cards you have. I'll go with the second one, for example. And in here we can choose, we can switch the calls preferences. So either it's a SIM1, SIM2, or Ask Every Time, which I'll set myself. The SMS preferences, which I'll set for the SIM card number 2. And we are also able to, mark this SIM card that we have just opened the details, the page with the details of. Assign it to be like the main SIM card for the mobile data usage. So I'll do it just now. And that will mean that previously I had the SIM card 1 as my main cellular data SIM card, but now I've switched it to the SIM 2. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.